Welcome to Easy App Inventor from the Higher Education Group. The purpose of our program is to create an intuitive visual environment that allows all learners to build fully functional Android apps for smartphones and tablets in a quick and efficient manner. When students first create their account, they need to take a pre-assessment to determine which of 3 levels they need to begin in. We believe that students with some experience in mobile app development have no reason to begin in a more novice level, and instead will just be given a brief overview before being placed in levels 2 or 3. Each of these levels is broken down into 3 individual lessons. After each lesson, students need to take a brief quiz before heading on to the next lesson. After each level, they need to take a more comprehensive post-level quiz before they can advance to the next level. Once they have completed the post-level quiz for level 3, they need to do their final assignment, the Easy App Wrap-Up, where they have to put all their skills to the test of things they've learned about block coding by creating a program called Places Around Me that shows users points of interest from the current location. Students sign back in, they're given a brief review of things they learned before signing out, and then given an option to either continue to new content, review any other previous content, and an opportunity to offer us feedback. When a student gets a question wrong on one of these quizzes, they're given explanatory feedback as to why another answer is correct. Each quiz is multiple choice, and if students are not able to pass the quiz at the end of the lesson, they then need to retake the lesson, and they will be given a different quiz with similar questions at the end. Google Blockly is a major inspiration for our program, and one way we have tried to differentiate ourselves from them is by implementing this pre-assessment. Students have certain objectives that they're going to learn, such as being able to write their own Android-based game. The requirements for this is to have a computer and an Android phone with connection to the internet. Students then need to determine a payment plan. For individuals, we have self-paced learning and an online classroom. For businesses, they can contact us about a payment plan. Once students have signed in, they will be given an introduction video and directed towards taking the pre-assessment. Let's say, for example, that a student places into level 2. The first thing they will need to take is lesson 4 of the PaintPot app. With PaintPot, we're first going to show them an introduction video. This video will cover things such as how to add background colors and text, how to organize and lay out information, and how to add sound. Once they've watched this video, they are then directed to this page where they will be shown how to actually use PaintPot inside of an application. They are then also allowed to download a PDF that has further information as to how PaintPot can be used in app development. We also have a link to an FAQ with the most frequently asked questions for Android mobile app development. If there are any questions that students do not see here that they have, they are given an option to ask the instructor, where they send us an email and we respond to them in a timely manner. Here's just an example of what an end of lesson quiz looks like. So again, it's multiple choice. If there's one that they get wrong after submitting, we give them the reason why it was wrong. And then if they get too many wrong, then they have to retake the lesson and have a different quiz at the end. So again, here's that layout. We have the overview, such as the video I showed you with PaintPot. Then we have the actual lesson where it shows how do you use PaintPot inside of an app, as well as downloading the PDF. Then there's that post-level quiz. If they complete it, they proceed. If they don't complete it, then they have to take the lesson all over again. And that is our program, Easy App Development. I hope you have enjoyed, and see you next time.